سلاف گەلیاڤالان ئیرۆم دەخوازن بە ڤیدیۆیەکی دیڤێ بەردەوام بکەن ئەڤ ژی پەیڤن هەنێک پەیڤ ڤیدیۆیان بۆریدا هەنە لێ هەنێک ژی نونن. Hello everyone, we want to make a new video for words. There are some words we had in the previous videos, but some of them are new. And let's start. So in this one, up, uncle, bash, good, well, bav, father, be, bebe, may you be, present, subjective, person, two person singular, bun, singular of bun, to be, singular of bun, to be. Bermali, housewife, beke, to do, actually do, but for she it beke, to beke, also could be to beke, she it, present subjective, person singular for current, to do, to make. Ew beke. Bra, brother, bra, brother. Birchi, hungry. Jam, at, to, by, being with someone. Chav, eye. Chav, eyes. Actually, chav, chavin khwe, chavin man, chavin. So probably to make this plural we have to use like this. We have to use like this, chavin. Chav is one, chavin man, my eyes. So if this is simply I, and if you want to chavete, chavinte, so if you want to make this plural you should put in end of this and you should chavin, chavan. So also it can be like this, chavan by single word. It could be like this, chavan, it means eyes also. Chawa, how, chawa. Even when you ask how are you, you say tu chawa yeah, tu chawa yeah. You ask tu chawa yeah, which means how are you. Jotkar is farmer. Jot means you have the tool and you are dividing the land by it. I don't know its name, but with some machine even you can just drive on the land, and this is called jot. And jotkar is the farmer. Dayık, mother. The in circumposition. So for example we could say de saat charan de. So you see we can use this in here. You can use the saat charan de for your hour. You can use this for the time, this already for time, but for the past, for the date. The هزار و نهصد و بیستان ده، هزار و نهصد و بیستان ده، the هزار و نهصد و بیستان ده, and you can simply use like this. What else? Also de mala meda, so you can use these two, deda. So you see like this has too many usage, so it means generally in. Debestan, school. And the che, he she goes. The che, he she goes. And the chim, I go. The jim, I live. The jim, I live. And the jin, they live. They live. Drej, the tall, long. And bejishk, doctor. And froshke, shop. And froshkar, shop owner. Amr, life, age. Galak, many. her, every, heye, there is, exist, jin, woman, kar, work or job, kem, few, Kurd, short, Kurd, short, le, bat, le, in, preposition, le derve, le peshier, le pashier, so le, in actually, in somewhere, you say, lever, in here, for example, in here, so le, lower, in there, which means lower in there means verwer and means what? In there, in, and mal is house, mal is house, mal is house. Mom, up, it's uncle, mom, so up, it's uncle. Both of them can be. Mamoste is teacher, mamoste. Mer, man, jin is woman. Mezen, big, so mezen. Okay. Nakhabete doesn't work. Nakhabete, ev nakhabete, he, she doesn't work. Okay. Nav, name, and nakhwash, il, sick, and per, many much, pers, question, por, hair, rash, black, sal, year, sali, literally year, that is with the years of age. So you say I am like this, as si, sali, ma. So here you use I am 30 years old. So when you say that, you use I, end of sal. Sag is healthy. Seretai is elementary, primary. It is Seretai, the Bistana Seretai actually. Simply you will put the Bistan in here. The Bistana Seretai. Of course, the Bistana Seretai, which will mean elementary or primary school. Betlane is the vacation or holiday, and Betlane yan, which means many, which is plural, which is as they, he, she comes. Tane, only. T, thirsty. Ver, here, location. Kharab is bad, kharab. Khwade, God. Khwishkak, a sister. Yenta, yours. Zaningeh, university. Zarok, child. And that's it.